Mbere ya ithomo ria keeri ria watho wa maiganania uria utanyitwo gukariririo muthi wa keeri kiumia turorete, tongoria ni mambitie kugayukana gukumwo makihitana kuga matikanyita mbaru watho uyu uria utanyitwo gwatemanio mbunge-ini ni mutongoria wa ringi thiini wa bunge nene ya bururi Eden Duale. Munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto ugite hari bata tongoria makanyita mbaru watho uyu ni gutigira atumia ni megira na mieke makiria ya utongoria.
You have a moment of history in your hands as the 12th Parliament to demonstrate that you appreciate that Kenya will not be the same after Tuesday because you will make history.
Watho uyu wendekithitie kuongererwo gwa iturwa ingi thiini wa bunge iri gukorwo ikigairwo atumia murotari gutigira ni kwagia na uigananu wa atumia na arume guoka ni utongoria. Angikorwo watho uyu ni ukahituka abunge megukorwo makiongerereka kuma 349 nginyagia 391 na senators kuma 67 nginyagia senators 71. Kuringana na seneta wa kaunti ya Nakuru Susan Kekari tarere matikugwa na no muhaka watho uyu hitukio thiini wa bunge cieri. Akeria ari mwena wa Naivasha hinde gikaro gia kwariria uigananu wa arume na atumia, Keka ugete ni mehariirie kurehe atongoria othe hamwe na gutigira ni mahitukia watho uyu na mutu umwe.
I'm hopeful that it will pass, and I have no doubt that once that happens, as the whip in the Senate, we shall take it over and we shall make sure that it passes.
I don't think it is something that would make us deny women their rightful place in elective offices or even to be appointed in state institutions.
I suggest 30% for women with disabilities, 30% for women who are youth,